Chances are you've seen or maybe even been told to take a meal replacement shake and that will help with your diabetes. But is that 100% true? Hi everyone, my name is James Marin. I'm a holistic registered dietitian, environmental nutritionist, author, speaker, and diabetes expert. Welcome, thank you for clicking this video and watching. We're going to be talking about meal replacement shakes and if they are good for a diabetic. Chances are someone like you who's pre-diabetic or type 2 or type 1, maybe even gestational diabetes, maybe you've been told by friends, family, or personal trainer, the doctor even, to take a meal replacement shake. It'll lower your calories, it'll give you protein, it'll be low carb, and therefore it's good for your diabetes. But that might not be the whole story, okay? Let me just say there are hundreds and hundreds of meal replacement shakes out there, and not all of them are equal. Not all of them are bad, and some maybe are good, some aren't. I would say most are not, okay? And again, most are not gonna be very inexpensive. Most will cost, a decent amount of money. So my tip for you today is really look at your meal replacement shake, okay? It's not so much about how much protein it has or how little calories and carbs it has. It's really about the ingredients. If you've been watching these videos and you've seen all my videos on this channel, my mantra is look at the ingredients, okay? And again, some of you are like, I don't even know what to look for in the ingredients, right? So a simple rule of thumb, can you pronounce the ingredients? Is there a big paragraph of ingredients, right? Because the idea is you want to get away from processed foods in general. That's going to include processed protein, artificial sweeteners, artificial vitamins and minerals that are, synthesized sometimes from petroleum, and they're not quality ingredients, okay? As someone who knows the supplement industry very well, many supplements can be good, and this is where I recommend you consult with your care team, consult with your registered dietitian, and find out what supplements you need, okay? Because a majority out there are not really a good quality supplement. And getting back to a meal replacement shake, many can be low quality. And all that protein is not going to do you any good if it's low quality. It can actually do you harm. Okay, so it's about looking at ingredients, looking for high quality protein, and then maybe taking a meal replacement shake if it works for you, if you've spoken to your registered dietitian. But what I say instead is use the money you'd spend on those supplement or that meal replacement shake and use it to the farmer's market. Use it to your local grocery store. Buy more fresh fruits and veggies and buy more dried beans, peas, and lentils, and practice recipe. Use that money and energy to cook 1 or 2 meals that day, right? So I say don't use a meal replacement to replace a good, healthy, whole food meal. Instead, eat the good, healthy, whole food meal, okay? Many of my patients are blown away by this, like, oh wow, I wasn't expecting you to say that, Me being a registered dietitian, they're expecting me to be like, yeah, here are these supplements, here's this diet plan, you're gonna go on this meal replacement. Really, what I say is simple. I say, eat a good, high quality whole meal. And even if you are in a hurry, even if you're on the go all the time, there are still great frozen and canned food options and quick things you can put together that are gonna be healthy, whole food options, okay? So if you wanna be like my patients and learning and kind of taking the next steps, click the link below. You're gonna get tons of great information on how you can take the next step to reversing and beating your diabetes or better controlling your diabetes, or if you're pre-diabetic, just preventing type 2 diabetes from ever entering this equation, okay? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and as always, have a wonderful day.